CPR stands for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It's a life-saving technique used to keep blood flowing and oxygen going to the lungs when your dog isn't breathing or has no pulse. You should perform CPR when your dog has no pulse or is not breathing. If your dog has a pulse but isn't breathing, check for any blockages in the airway first. First, check for a pulse by placing your hand on the chest behind the left elbow. If you don't feel a pulse after 3 to 5 seconds, start CPR immediately. If you have a large dog, lay the dog on its side. Place one hand on the widest part of the chest and stack the other hand on top. Push down firmly to about 3 to 8 centimeters deep, or 1/3 the width of the chest. Let the chest fully recoil before pressing again. If you have a small dog, lay the dog on its side. Wrap 1 or 2 hands around the rib cage. Squeeze about 1/3 the width of the chest and let it recoil fully. If the dog has a pulse, but isn't breathing, give rescue breaths. Hold the snout closed, cover the nostrils with your mouth, and blow gently until you see the chest rise. Give 2 breaths, then continue compressions. Maintain compressions at a rate of 100 to 120 per minute. If ribs crack, don't panic. Continue CPR. Blood flow is the priority. Continue CPR until the dog starts breathing on its own. If there's no change after 5 minutes, take the dog to a veterinarian immediately. If the dog revives, it may be disoriented. Give it space and seek a vet's assessment. Knowing how to perform CPR on your dog is invaluable. Stay calm, act swiftly, and always follow up with veterinary care.